How to cancel YouTube TV using the app. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Launch the app on your phone and make sure that you are signed in with the account that has the active subscription. Step 2. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture and then go to Settings. Step 3. Inside the Settings menu, choose the Membership tab. And this is where your plan details and billing options appears. Step 4. Tap the Manage beside the YouTube TV section, and this opens a window showing your active subscription. Step 5. Tap the Cancel or Cancel Membership, and then follow the prompts, and you might be offered a post option. So if you want to cancel entirely, just confirm Cancel. Step 6. Once you confirm, your subscription will stay active until the end of your current billing cycle. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.